Welcome to Underground. I'm Arco. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to modeling and texturing this hammer, also how to create an amazing exploit. Let's start it. If you see any material I used in this video and you cannot find it in your library, you can find it in Substance community. Also, if you don't know how to import your model to Substance Painter, I have a video about that. You can find the link in the description. For a start, add a fill layer and add a black mask. Change color to gray and increase metallic to maximum value and decrease roughness for more shininess. Add another fill layer, add black mask, fill inner side of the blade. For here I used metal foil, but you can use whatever you want for better looking. Sometimes textures are too big or too small. For fixing this, you can use tilling until you get better look. For more details, add another fill layer and use this smart mask. Play with these settings to get the result you want. Turn off color and play with roughness and metallic and change height to a number around 0 to get more scratch shape. For even more details, add another smart mask. Decrease wear level. Decrease the height to a value around the 0 again. I used chrome blue tint here because we need a blue metal. I will increase it anyway. Add a white mask and remove the gears from your mask. After that, change the color settings for more blue color in your metal. For grip, use leather texture. This texture don't need any changes on it, just mask the grip. For emissive, I used basic hard brush. In the video we have about Substance Painter workflow, I teach you how to add emissive to your project. You can find the link in the description. In material settings, change the color to a blue color and change the height to -1 value. Turn on emissive and change the emissive color to a blue color. Follow the same process for other emissive area. For this little cross, add the fill layer and turn off everything except of color and metal and roughness. Change color to black and add a black mask. Choose paint spray brush, change brush size and easily paint the cross on hammer. This export method is for Unreal Engine if you want to export your texture to Blender, Watch or Substance Painter workflow. Here you need to choose where you want to export your textures. And it's done. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell so when we upload the next part you will know. In the next part I will teach you how to import your model and textures in Unreal Engine and we will start VFX in Unreal Engine. See you till the next video.